Hey! If you're someone who prefers reading over watching lengthy videos like this one, don't worry. I've written an article summarizing the content of this video on my website. You can access it by clicking the link provided in the comment and description section. Enjoy reading. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here to share valuable information and tips on promoting a healthy heart through the power of superfoods. In each video, we'll dive into the world of heart-friendly nutrition, exploring delicious and nutrient-packed foods that can help prevent and manage cardiovascular disease. Join me as we uncover the top superfoods, learn about their benefits, and discover easy ways to incorporate them into our everyday diets. Let's take charge of our heart health together and embark on a journey towards a stronger, happier heart. So, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's get started on our heart-friendly superfood adventure. 1. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are a type of polyunsaturated fat that are known for their beneficial effects on heart health. They are essential nutrients that the body needs for various functions but cannot produce on its own, so they must be obtained from dietary sources. The omega-3 fatty acids EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, are primarily found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and trout. These fish are considered excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Consuming these fish regularly has been associated with a reduced risk of heart disease. Plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids include flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. These foods contain a type of omega-3 fatty acid called ALA, alpha-linolenic acid. While ALA is not as effective as EPA and DHA in providing cardiovascular benefits, it can still be converted to some extent in the body. Omega-3 fatty acids offer several benefits for heart health. They can help lower triglyceride levels, which are a type of fat in the blood. High levels of triglycerides are associated with an increased risk of heart disease. Omega-3 fatty acids also have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation in the body, including in the blood vessels. Furthermore, omega-3 fatty acids support healthy heart function by helping to regulate heart rhythm, lower blood pressure, and improve arterial health. They may also play a role in reducing the risk of plaque buildup in the arteries, known as atherosclerosis. It's important to note that while omega-3 fatty acids can provide heart health benefits, they should be part of an overall healthy and balanced diet. If you have specific health concerns or conditions, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. 2. Berries. Berries, including blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are indeed highly nutritious fruits that offer a wide range of health benefits. They are known for their vibrant colors, distinct flavors, and rich antioxidant content. Berries are packed with antioxidants, such as anthocyanins, flavonols, and vitamin C, which help protect the body's cells from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. Antioxidants play a crucial role in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, which are associated with various chronic diseases, including heart disease. Here are some specific ways in which berries can contribute to heart health. Lowering blood pressure. Studies suggest that regular consumption of berries may help lower blood pressure. The high levels of bioactive compounds found in berries, including anthocyanins, have been associated with improved blood vessel function and reduced stiffness of arterial walls, leading to lower blood pressure. Improving blood vessel function. The flavonoids present in berries, particularly anthocyanins, have been shown to improve endothelial function, which is the ability of blood vessels to dilate and contract properly. Enhanced endothelial function is essential for maintaining healthy blood flow and reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Reducing the risk of heart disease. Berries, with their potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, may help reduce the risk of heart disease. The bioactive compounds in berries have been associated with a lower risk of developing heart disease by improving cholesterol profiles, reducing plaque buildup in arteries, and preventing the formation of blood clots. Providing dietary fiber. Berries are a good source of dietary fiber, which is beneficial for heart health. Fiber helps lower cholesterol levels by reducing the absorption of cholesterol in the intestine. It also promotes satiety, aids in weight management, and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. Incorporating a variety of berries into your diet is a great way to enjoy their health benefits. You can enjoy them fresh, frozen, or in smoothies, salads, oatmeal, or yogurt. Just remember to consume them as part of a balanced diet that includes other nutritious foods as well. While berries are beneficial for heart health, it's important to note that they are not a standalone solution. A healthy lifestyle, including regular physical activity, a balanced diet, and overall good nutrition, plays a vital role in maintaining heart health. 3. Leafy greens. Dark, leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are highly nutritious and provide numerous health benefits, including promoting cardiovascular health. These greens are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and dietary nitrates, which contribute to their positive effects on heart health. Here's how leafy greens can support cardiovascular health. Lowering blood pressure. Leafy greens contain high levels of dietary nitrates, which are converted into nitric oxide in the body. Nitric oxide helps relax and dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing blood pressure. Regular consumption of leafy greens has been associated with a modest reduction in blood pressure levels. Improving arterial health. The vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants found in leafy greens, including vitamin K, vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium, contribute to improved arterial health. These nutrients help reduce arterial stiffness, promote elasticity of blood vessels, and support the overall health of the cardiovascular system. Providing antioxidants. Leafy greens are rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene. Antioxidants help protect cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, which are associated with the development of cardiovascular diseases. They also play a role in preventing the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which is a key step in the formation of plaque in the arteries. Supporting overall heart health. Leafy greens are low in calories and high in fiber, making them an excellent choice for maintaining a healthy weight. A diet rich in leafy greens can contribute to weight management, reducing the risk of obesity, high blood pressure, and other risk factors for heart disease. The high fiber content also helps lower LDL cholesterol levels and improves digestion. To incorporate leafy greens into your diet, you can enjoy them raw in salads, add them to smoothies, sauté them as a side dish, or incorporate them into soups and stews. Aim to include a variety of dark, leafy greens in your meals to maximize their nutritional benefits. Remember that a healthy diet is just one aspect of maintaining cardiovascular health. Regular physical activity, stress management, and other lifestyle factors also play important roles in supporting heart health. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice on maintaining a healthy lifestyle. 4. Whole grains. Whole grains are an essential part of a heart-healthy diet. They offer a range of nutrients, including fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, that provide several benefits for cardiovascular health. Here's how whole grains support heart health. Lowering cholesterol levels. Whole grains are rich in soluble fiber, which helps reduce LDL, bad cholesterol levels. Soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance in the digestive system that binds to cholesterol, preventing its absorption into the bloodstream. By reducing LDL cholesterol, whole grains help lower the risk of heart disease. Promoting healthy blood pressure. The minerals present in whole grains, such as potassium and magnesium, are important for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Potassium helps counterbalance the effects of sodium and can help relax blood vessels, while magnesium helps regulate blood pressure by promoting proper muscle function. Supporting healthy blood sugar control. Whole grains have a lower glycemic index compared to refined grains, meaning they cause a slower and steadier rise in blood sugar levels. This property is beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing diabetes, as high blood sugar levels can contribute to heart disease. Providing antioxidants and phytochemicals. Whole grains contain various antioxidants and phytochemicals, such as lignans and phenolic compounds, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a risk factor for heart disease, and consuming whole grains can help reduce inflammation in the body. Offering a nutrient-rich profile. Whole grains are packed with vitamins, such as B vitamins, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin E, and minerals like iron, zinc, and selenium. These nutrients are essential for heart health and overall well-being. To incorporate more whole grains into your diet, you can choose foods like whole grain bread, brown rice, whole wheat pasta, quinoa, oats, and barley. Look for products labeled as 100% whole grain to ensure you're getting the full benefits of the grain. Remember to focus on a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-rich foods, including fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats, in addition to whole grains. This, along with regular physical activity, maintaining a healthy weight, and avoiding smoking, can contribute to optimal heart health. 5. Legumes. Legumes are highly nutritious and offer numerous health benefits, including promoting heart health. Legumes are a category of plants that include beans, such as kidney beans, black beans, and pinto beans, lentils, chickpeas, and peas. They are rich in plant-based protein, dietary fiber, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Here's how legumes can support heart health. Lowering cholesterol levels. Legumes are high in soluble fiber, which can help reduce LDL, bad cholesterol levels. Soluble fiber binds to cholesterol in the digestive system, preventing its absorption into the bloodstream. By reducing LDL cholesterol, legumes can help lower the risk of heart disease. Promoting healthy blood sugar control. Legumes have a low glycemic index, meaning they cause a slower and more gradual increase in blood sugar levels compared to refined carbohydrates. This property can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, which is important for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing diabetes. Providing heart-healthy nutrients. Legumes are excellent sources of several heart-healthy nutrients, including folate, potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants. Folate helps lower levels of homocysteine, an amino acid associated with an increased risk of heart disease. Potassium and magnesium help regulate blood pressure, while antioxidants protect against oxidative stress and inflammation. Supporting weight management. Legumes are low in fat and high in fiber and protein, making them a filling and satisfying food choice. Including legumes in meals can help promote satiety, control appetite, and support healthy weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight is important for reducing the risk of heart disease. To incorporate legumes into your diet, you can enjoy them in various ways. They can be added to soups, stews, salads, or chili, or used as a base for vegetarian dishes like bean burgers or lentil curries. Canned legumes are also a convenient option, but be sure to rinse them thoroughly to reduce sodium content. It's important to note that if you are incorporating legumes into your diet for the first time or have any specific dietary concerns or conditions, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized advice. Thank you for joining me today on this exploration of heart-friendly superfoods. By incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into our diets, we can take proactive steps towards preventing and managing cardiovascular disease. Remember, a healthy heart starts with small, everyday choices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And be sure to subscribe to your channel name for more informative videos on nourishing your heart and living a heart-healthy lifestyle. Together, let's make our hearts stronger, happier, and full of vitality. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.